So guys, these are just some of the palettes and products that I'll be using for this makeup look today. I'll obviously be showing you every step of the way what I use, but these are just some of the stuff at the moment, okay? So guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone that is new, welcome. Any returning subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I have no idea what I'm doing, honestly. I just want to feel motivated as I go along and then make up whatever comes to my mind and be creative with that. Just because Black History Month is almost kind of the end of Black History Month. Better late than never though. So I'm just gonna come up with something, has to do with Africa obviously. Gonna see, I want to play with quite a few colors, want to see what I can come up with, and then I have a feeling I probably might get ideas as as I keep going basically. So let me know what you think of this look. Be honest, let me know what you think. I'm even gonna surprise myself because I have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah, keep watching, let's see what we create. All right. So hey guys, I'm going to start off with using this moisturizer from Superdrug on my face just to prep my skin before I apply all the products. Now the next thing I'm going to use is the L'Oreal foundation. Yes, it looks slightly darker than my skin tone, but it is the right foundation. I've been using this, it was a perfect match 2 months ago, and then suddenly my skin became kind of lighter than usual. But I'm using this foundation base because you're not going to see much of my skin as I'll be applying so much on my face to cover it up anyway, but I just need that base. I'm going to be using the Glow Fix spray on the brush just to get that little bit more extra. As you can see here, you can see how dark the foundation looks, but this isn't anything to worry about at this stage, okay? Now we're using the elf concealer in deep olive to just conceal under my eyes and around my eyes to prep my face, because I'm going to be putting some eyeshadows on as well. So this is what I'm doing right now, using the beauty blender just to do that. Now what you can see right now is the Morphe the whitest base to prep my eyelid, as I'm going to be using eyeshadows. Now I use the whitest prepping primer concealer on my eyeshadow to make the colors pop. This palette I'm using is the Carnival palette, I think the 3rd edition from Stacey Marie. I'm going to be using the colors from that palette to apply on my face. As you can see, I actually have no idea what I'm doing at this point, but we're just going to be playing with some colors on the eyeshadow just to see what we come up with. So pretty much different colors, bright colors, because it's Africa, we want to make it bright. All the flags in Africa are pretty much bright colors anyway, so yeah, a bit of dancing wouldn't wouldn't hurt. So yeah, so as you can see, I'm using the concealer to prep the next color. So pretty much that's what I'm doing. And over here I've gone on to the other eye just to draw the map of Africa. This is the map of Africa I'm doing. I'm just shading it in to make it stand out a little bit more. This is the stage where we're at now, and I'm going to be adding more colors on the other eye that I've started using blue, purple, pink, going to be using green, different stuff as well. At this point guys, I'm just using my white concealer from Morphe again to just prep my base for the flags that I'm about to draw. So what I've decided to do is just draw different types of flags on my face just to represent Africa. If your flag is not there guys, please do not hate. There were some flags that were just a little bit more difficult for me to do, and because I was in a rush, I was going on a road trip, I had to quickly just do something pretty quickly, and there wasn't enough room on my face either to to accommodate all the flags, so I just did the best that I could. So yeah, just a few blocks on my face to prep my skin for the different types of flags that I'm about to do representing Africa. Right now I'm trying to just draw the my face on my neck, the chain. Obviously I try to incorporate the slavery that we Africans went through back in the day. So the chain is just representing the us, being in slavery and in shackles as well. So guys, right here doing the flags of obviously South Africa. I've done Ghana, I've done Nigeria, I think there was Malawi as well, and the rest was I think Morocco, the Kenyan flag as well. I did Sierra Leone, I did Trinidad, I think. There's a bunch of other stuff on there. If you see yourself, say hi in the description box below. If you don't see yourself in there, still say hi anyway. I'm representing everyone here, so yeah. So hey guys, so this is the complete look. As you can see, there's a bunch of different flags on there. I hope you recognize yourself, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you like what I've done. If you want to give me any constructive criticism, of course, that is welcome. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please come back, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Ciao.